Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove or replace the ashtray on Mercedes E-Class, that generation right here, on the rear door guys. So as you know, if you need to remove door panel or something, there is even a hidden screw there, so that ashtray will need to be removed. If yours is broken, doesn't open or closes good, you can replace it as well. You need to open it guys, and now we need to start prying. On top there is two clips. Okay, so if you get the clips right, okay, you'll be able to remove it really easy. But you have to take your time because you don't want to break it. Okay, so those are the clips. Okay, if you get them with a screwdriver, you'll be able to pull it out. All we have to do now just, okay, you can get them from the bottom. As you can see, if you have a small screwdriver, you can pry them from the bottom. Okay, and this is the ashtray. Okay, right here. Stay with us to see how you install this one now. So first you need to get the bottom side in an angle. Okay, like that. Then push it in for the clips to click. Okay, and that's all. Pretty simple, right? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.